The guiding philosophy of nomadic comfort encapsulates the spirit of the tiny house on wheels thou movement, representing an intentional choice to synthesize absolute locational liberty with the profound, nurturing security typically associated with a permanent domicile. This intimate, transportable dwelling stands as a definitive rebuttal to the common misconception that an adventurous life must necessitate the sacrifice of domestic bliss. Instead, the Thou provides a completely self-contained, custom-built sanctuary, resting upon a robust, towable platform that allows owners to access an almost limitless variety of environments. This capability fundamentally empowers residents to actively pursue fleeting horizons, retreat to tranquil wilderness settings, or seamlessly relocate their careers, all while remaining enveloped by their personal, comfortable domain. The long-term outcome of adopting this lifestyle is remarkable. A deep-seated financial autonomy and comprehensive geographical self-determination, which allows inhabitants to reallocate their focus from the exhaustive demands of property, upkeep, and debt to the enrichment of life experiences and personal evolution. To step inside one of these ingenious microhomes is to witness the sophisticated application of cozy, functional design. The interiors are anything but cramped or makeshift. They are meticulous exhibitions of minimalist architectural strategy, engineered specifically to amplify comfort within a constrained spatial boundary. A consistent theme involves the extensive use of natural wood finishes to inject a feeling of organic warmth and grounding, beautifully contrasted by the pervasive sense of light. This brightness is achieved by strategically positioned, expansive windows, which serve the dual purpose of thoroughly illuminating the space and using the exterior landscape to create a powerful illusion of spaciousness. Within the central living areas, adaptable furnishings reign supreme, often featuring modular pieces that effortlessly transition from a lounge area into a functional dining or workspace. Equally innovative are the often hidden deep storage compartments, frequently integrated into the core structure, like the staircase, maximizing utility. Above, the lofted sleeping chamber is designed as a snug retreat, providing the deep, restorative sleep necessary to fuel the next leg of a perpetually moving life. What elevates the modern tiny house on wheels beyond a mere recreational vehicle is its unwavering commitment to providing a residential-grade experience despite its mobility. This is a durable, four-season dwelling, often featuring superior insulation and highly efficient climate control technology, guaranteeing a consistently comfortable internal environment irrespective of seasonal extremes. The kitchen is typically a fully provisioned space, boasting high-quality, standard-sized appliances that support genuine culinary endeavor. Similarly, the bathroom is frequently appointed with premium fittings and includes a full, spacious shower, introducing an element of everyday luxury often assumed impossible in a mobile context. This fusion of unwavering domestic quality with the inherent flexibility of movement transforms the structure from a simple vehicle into a cherished, bona fide home.